Today, we're looking at a cool, nature-based fix for our waterways, BioHaven Floating Islands.
A lot of our water is in rough shape, but what if the fix isn't chemical but biological?
That exact question led to a huge breakthrough, and the inspiration came straight from nature.
The answer? It's all about biomimicry, basically learning from nature's own playbook.
So BioHaven Islands just copy natural floating peatlands. It's like a super concentrated wetland.
Okay, so how does it work? The secret is this engineered matrix at its core.
Get this, it packs 375 square feet of surface area into every single cubic foot.
All that surface area becomes a home for biofilm, and that's the real engine here.
It all works together. Think of the matrix kind of like a coral reef, providing a home.
And the results are just wow. That sticky biofilm grabs all the gunk and clears the water.
And they work really well. In some cases, they're 500% better at removing nitrates than old-school wetlands. So you get to grow fish, not algae. They starve out nasty algae blooms and build a healthy food web.
But it's not just about clean water. These things are basically living arcs, creating habitats.
You plant them with native species, and they pretty much take care of themselves. They can even support trees.
Up top, they're a safe haven for birds to nest, away from predators on the shore.
And down below, the roots create a cool, shady, oxygen-rich spot for fish to hang out. And the benefits just keep coming, from shoreline protection all the way to climate action.
A 5-foot island can knock down a 1-foot wave by 80%. That really stops erosion.
What's super interesting is how they help the climate. They can even cut down methane bubbling up.
Okay, but wait a minute. Aren't they made of plastic? It's a fair question, so let's get into it. Yep, it's PET plastic. The same safe, stable stuff your water bottles are made of. No leaching.
And get this, the biofilm actually traps microplastics, so the island becomes part of the solution. You can see them everywhere, from city parks to industrial sites. They're super adaptable.
They're just so versatile. By copying nature, they bring our waterways back into balance.
It makes you wonder, right? What if the key to healing our planet is to just build more nature?